What's up, YouTube? Thanks so much for tuning back into my channel. I am back with you all today with another haul. So I did have some recent pickups from you know where, my favorite website. So let's go ahead and get into the new items that I got. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So as y'all know, I did have another sneaker haul video, which I mistakenly deleted. Yeah, I mistakenly deleted that video at 31,000 views. I was kind of mad about that, but it's okay. We're gonna move forward and we're gonna call this part 2. So this is like Dhgate haul, unboxing, show and tell, part 2. Okay, I'm gonna try to get part 1 re-uploaded if I can, crossing my fingers. But let's go ahead and get into the new stuff that I got from my favorite website. Of course, these are lookalike items on a budget. If you're on a budget and you are interested, y'all definitely keep watching. All right, so sorry about that. My lighting had changed, so I had to change my settings in my camera. But first up, so the new pair of dunks that I have are these babies. I have these deep purple dunks, and I will put the exact name of these dunks down below, but these things are so gorgeous. I did buy them specifically for an outfit that I want to wear because I really rarely wear purple, but these things are the bomb. They are so beautiful, and they may look bluish, but they're definitely a deep violet purple. I promise they're not blue, y'all. I promise they are purple, and they are heavy duty. They are not cheap at all, and they look really, really good. So they'll come with the paper inside of them, or like a, you know, one of these shoe stuffer things. More than likely it's like crumbled up paper, just to kind of keep the form and keep them from creasing during shipment. But these things are amazing. So as y'all know, these are lookalike items on Dhgate. They could possibly be grade B shoes, or just total, you know, lookalikes of the real thing. No one can really tell, but if you go to order these, it may not have this symbol on it when you go to buy it, but always ask the seller for a real picture of the item and they'll be happy to send it to you. So you can just make sure this symbol will be on there so it can look as good as possible. So yeah, ask for a sample picture, but more than likely, yeah, this actual symbol will be on here. But these are amazing lookalike dunks, y'all. Love it for the fraction of the price. Y'all check the price below. It is amazing. So let's go ahead. So this is not just sneakers, y'all. I just wanted to show you a lot of the things that I got from Dhgate recently. Another one is this cute hat. Of course, it's like a Gucci hat. And I always try to look at the picture of the item that the seller sends me and really compare it to the real thing to make sure it's at least close, you know, like 90% close, you know. But this one is cute. It was really, really affordable, and the pattern looks really realistic. It does have that kind of leather strap across the front, and it does say the name brand on the back. But it's super, super cute. It fits well. And yeah, I thought this was a cute item to show you guys. It was really affordable. All the prices and the links to these items will be down below. But since we're on the subject of this brand, let me show y'all the other thing that I got to match it. Yes, so I did get the Gucci lookalike bag, and this one is really, really good, y'all. This one is a really, really good representation of the real thing. It is amazing quality. Now I have some stuff in here. Let me take this stuff out because I've used it already. But if you can see, it does have the name inside, and the information on the real bag will be somewhere like over here, so you can see what the authentic bag looks like. But it is super cute. It does have the 2 zips with the G on the side, and the G print is amazing. It does have a long strap, so it's a crossbody bag. So I paired these two together, and y'all, I felt so cute. I felt so cute. I don't care if anyone noticed or if they don't notice, or if they do, I don't care. But it is so cute. I really, really love these paired together. So yeah, this is one of my absolutely favorite purchases so far. And yeah, really, really cute. I really enjoyed these two items, and I felt like so put together when I had them on. So let's go ahead and continue. So I do have some more shoes to show y'all. Let me get this other pair of shoes. All right, so I recently picked up the Varsity Green. I think it's called Varsity Green. I'll make sure to put the real names, but these are a must-have color for the fall. Very, very nice. And these things are not cheap, y'all. They're not cheap feeling. Well, they're cheap, they're affordable, but they're not cheap quality. These things are absolutely amazing, and the color is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. Like I said, it may come with like paper stuffed in there. But this is a really, really quality shoe, y'all. Really, really, really good quality shoe. I've worn these already, and y'all won't believe how much they are. Like, I don't want to gatekeep any information from y'all. These are the bomb. So far I showed you the green ones and showed you the purple ones. Really, really fire. Really, really high quality, heavy shoes. These are not cheap shoes, y'all. They're affordable, but they're not cheap quality. Now, of course, when I tell y'all information in this video, I tell the truth. And of course, I always have fails for y'all. And I think this might have been a fail, you guys. So I wanted some light pink dunks, right? And I was like, okay, these are so cute. Let me pick these up. I can't find a picture of dunks that looks exactly like this. It's one pair they make that's pink with a pink check, but this pink check, it ain't the same color. It ain't the same color, y'all. So I don't know, these might have been fails, but I'ma still wear them. They're not the Valentine's ones, or they're not the other ones. I'll put the name. They're not these. Like, I don't know why they put this check color that pink, because I can't find the real thing. But guess what, I'm gonna wear them. They're super cute. They're light pink color. I love these shoes. If you hear coughing, I'm sorry, that's my daughter. But I love this color pink, y'all. So adorable. But if I can find the ones that they're supposed to be, I'll put the name below. But yeah, these you may not find these actually on the Nike website. But I needed some light pink shoes, and these are different than the like I said, different than the Valentine, different than the Rose Whisper. They're different. They're a different color, light pink, so I needed this color. So pick these up if you like them. If you don't, skip them. If you do, pick them up. Really, really good quality still. I don't know if they're supposed to be the Valentine's because it has like this fuzzy part on the back. I don't know, but they're super cute anyway, so I'm gonna keep them and I'm gonna wear them. All right, so the next one I have also could possibly be a fail. They were supposed to be the coconut milk dunks, but I don't know. I think they got the color wrong on this one. So look at these. Okay, so these are supposed to be the coconut milk dunks, but I think they got this color a little bit too bright. It's too bright. It's too like neon, I think. I'll put a picture of the real ones, but these are kind of like neon looking, and I didn't really care for that. I really don't know how to wear these shoes. They're really, really good quality, but they're like a lemon yellow instead of like a milky white that I was thinking they were gonna look like. They still look good though, but I was like, I don't know, I think they made them too like neon yellow. I don't know. I'll find some way to wear these, okay? I'm gonna find some way to wear these. And sorry, my color keeps messing up, but I'll find some way to wear these. They're just a little bit too like neon, but they're supposed to be the coconut milk dunks. Y'all let me know if they do look the same or if they don't, but I don't know. They're still kind of cute and they're still very unique. So yeah, so I mean, I tell y'all the truth. If I feel like they're like a weird color or they didn't make them right, then I'm definitely gonna tell y'all. But I mean, they're cute. I'm definitely still gonna wear them. So I don't know, y'all let me know if you would pick them up. If you want them, the link will be down below. All right, so let's keep this going with the dunks. I did pick these up on Dhgate as well, and they are another must-have for fall, you guys. These are the Team Red. These are burgundy. My absolute favorite. They also called another name, like there's several names for these, like maroon, Team Red. It's another word that starts with a B. I don't know, but they are really, really cute, and they are my favorite color. Yeah, these are my favorite. They are really good quality again, and like I said, get these for fall. So once again, good quality, and I feel like these and the green ones, like, come on, you have to have these for the fall time. Like, I absolutely love these two colors. Now these are another one that I'm gonna try to find these on Dhgate. These are actually from Nike, but I'm gonna try to find these. I just wanted to show you guys anyway. I love these. I'll put the name of these down below, and it has like a turquoise snakeskin color with a light peachy pink color. I want to try to see if I can find these on Dhgate. Like I said, I didn't get them on Dhgate, but I'm going to try to find them. But I still wanted to show you guys that these are so cute, and I love the detail. But you can honestly not even tell the difference between these and like these, like the quality. Like, these are from Nike and these are from Dhgate. Like, you really can't even tell that they're a different shoe. Like, look at the real thing and then look at Nike. I mean, look at Dhgate. Nike, Dhgate. So I'm gonna try to find these to see if I can link these down below, and I'll put the link down below if I can find them. But I wanted to show you guys, very unique pattern, and that's why I like Dunks, because the colors and the patterns are so unique. Like, I just love them. So I do have one more thing to show you guys that I picked up from Dhgate. All right, y'all, so this is the Balenciaga bag. So of course this is a look-alike bag, but I'm loving the quality of this bag. Of course it's not going to be a perfect replica or perfect you know, look-alike, but they came really close. So it does have the brand name there, and the quality is so good. I did compare it to the authentic, and it's as close as it can get. You know, the studs are a little bit bigger on the real thing. The texture is a little bit more like a crinkle material, like a alligator material, like a alligator pattern. But this is a good bag, and I can find myself using this for like a really cute streetwear outfit, like a streetwear outfit. But yeah, this is super cute. So the seller's link and all the information will be down below, and this is a really affordable bag. And y'all check out because I also have the link to these boots that match, but I'll get those in the future. But y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul of, you know, my Dunks, and I got some bags and my Gucci purse and like all of it. I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely check out the links below, and yeah, give this video a like if you enjoy my Dhgate unboxing. I do have some hair content coming up very soon, because I'm still loyal to my hair content. I actually still love doing hair videos, but I kind of want to branch out, do something different, show you guys how I kind of get all my luxury items on a budget. So if you like these videos, I will definitely keep them coming. So thanks so much for watching, you guys, and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button below. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Bye.